I am usually nude. Sounds wrong. So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Stuff. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, hello. And if you're returning, thank you a little extra for coming back. So as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have the Ipsy Open Studio for September. Now, I wasn't here when it came, so we are doing it today since I'm back now. So if you want to see what's in the Ipsy Open Studio or what you could possibly get for September 2022, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so yes, this is the Ipsy Open Studio. It is sent to me by Ipsy for review, to go over with you guys and maybe take a look at what it is that you picked, or just to see what else was available for the month of September. Like I said in the intro, I did get this a little bit late and I was not here when it came. So as soon as I got back, we are sitting down to film it now. Before I get into this, I do want to say, hi, my name's Stephanie. I am what they consider like the host around here, I guess. All that means is I'm the one who goes over the products, gives you my thoughts and opinions about them. Sometimes I try them on. We do these things in a real life way. And by that I mean, I'm just an average woman. I'm not a makeup artist. I do the best I can and I continue to practice, because in my world, practice makes better. I do not have perfect in my world and I'm okay with that. I drop things all the time. If I don't drop something, question if it's me or not. And sometimes I mispronounce ingredients, you know, like I said, average girl here. So if anything like that interests you, if you are into eyeshadow palettes, makeup, reviews, unboxings, etc., then please hit that button down below if you have not already. Become part of the family. I would love to have you. And please remember to rate the video thumbs up if you are so inclined. Also, the bell. That is very important because I do giveaways and I also announce the giveaway winners in random videos. So you're going to want to know when those videos go up. This is, again, from Ipsy Open Studios. They do gift this to me. I really do enjoy Ipsy. It's one of the better subscriptions in my opinion. I like having the ability to choose my products. So we do have the card, and the theme for this month is You Got This, which I absolutely adore. Sometimes we just need that little, you know, reminder or whatever that you're doing a good job, you know. So this is September 2022. It says, sometimes you just need a look at that. Sometimes you just need a reminder. As the CEO of your world, embrace every challenge with confidence, from nailing your eyeliner to acing your next project, and watch yourself level up. I did check and see what products belong to which bag, so I went ahead and I put them together. Oh, this is a little something something. It says there's nothing like the change of seasons to spark your creativity. Hence, I do have kind of a fall look on. But it's a very pretty palette, and I wanted to just show you all these shimmers. They're amazing. And the mattes are good too. Everything's good about SAS, I gotta say. Their shadows don't irritate my eyes, guys. I have 3 palettes from them now. I can wear them all day without any problems. I love it. Sorry, I digress. Dip into an unexpected color palette, experiment with runaway ready makeup looks, and discover new ways to express your show-stopping style. We can't wait to see. All right, so that's what the thing says. Now, not only do I get this in PR, I do pay for the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag. That is on its way. So let's go over the Glam Bag first, okay? When I first saw it on the website, I was like, I don't know. But I do like it. It's very shiny, and it's got this, like, I don't know, it's a very unique material. I don't know how to explain it at all. I couldn't if I tried, so I'm not going to. But it is very iridescent, and it's got all different colors in it. It has a little emblem here. When you open it up, it's got a pretty pink inside. I like the bag. Okay, so there's that. Now, the first thing is, okay, listen, this stuff is amazing. I will tell you, I purchased this, I want to say off Amazon, the Ipsy brand, okay? And it was hand cream. Now, this is sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body butter. This hydrates and refreshes. It says enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. It does have a safety seal, so we're going to take that off because I want to smell it. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Listen, I'm telling you, hemp seed, like infused stuff, like that has hemp in it, smells so wonderful. Whatever it's supposed to smell like, it does, and it smells really, really good. So I'm putting it on my hands because my hands are a little dry. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Ah, Yes, please. I will take that. And then this is Sophia and Mabel. I woke up like this. I just love that name. I really do. Because I've seen other things that say that. I woke up like this. So it's a primer. It says Skin Perfecting Primer. It's 10 mils, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of a try on, perhaps with some of the products now, and then definitely combining the two bags together. I'm going to test out whatever I possibly can, you know, on camera, and let y'all know what I think about it in another video. All right, and then the other thing we have is Lottie London. What are you? Power Fail Metallic Eyeshadow. I want to see this. I want to see this. Lottie London. Can we find them? I don't know. Sometimes I think you can find them in some stores around here. I'm not sure. Oh my. For me, this is a disaster waiting to happen. Look at that. Listen, I'm messy with my shimmers anyway. I'm going to grab a brush, just any old brush. I'm not very good with loose pigment like that. All right, so let's maybe put it here. Okay, it's a pretty color. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Okay, so that is very, very pretty. And I gotta say, it's very metallic. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. Wow. I'm gonna test this on camera because, yeah, I want that on my eyes. Oh, this, I could have used that with this look for sure, like on the inner corner, definitely. Wow. Okay, so that's cool. I'm liking this. Even though it's a little messy, you know, I'm just a messy person when it comes to this kind of things. And I'm not, like I said, the greatest with loose pigment, but yeah, I'll try it out because if that's what it's looking like on the eyes, see how metallic that is right there? Imagine it with the glitter primer. Whoa. Okay, well, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so that is the third thing. Now, the fourth thing is Basic Beauty Lipstick, all right? And this is in the shade Fall For You. We are coming up to fall, okay? Just so I have my little burnt orange tank top on. Still wear tank tops in the wintertime, guys. So I do like Basic Beauty's packaging. We have seen these in Ice Cream Beauty, here in Ipsy as well. Oh, okay. I'm going to put this on, okay? Here's why. Part of the Ipsy Open Studio program, don't know if you know, is to unbox these things and then try them out. So you know that I'm not normally a red kind of lipstick girl or even like a dark lipstick. I'm usually wearing a nude lipstick, you know, because I do tend to do colorful eye looks. I like how it looks on other people. I absolutely love it. I just don't like it on myself. I feel like it makes me look older than I already am. I mean, it looks almost burnt orange. Let me swatch it and see. It's like it's not that bright. It's almost the shade of my shirt, but with a little more like pinkish cranberry tone to it. But okay, let's try it out. I love you guys so much. Normally, like I said, I would not wear these colors, but it is fall, so why not, right? Okay, not the best application at all. I would definitely say use a lip liner with this. If you have more mature lips like I do, I have a little bit of feathering. It's nice. I mean, that was only 2 passes, and that's very opaque. Yeah, take a picture because this is probably one of the only times you'll see me with a very dark lipstick like this. I mean, it's very comfortable. It doesn't seem like drying or anything. I'm not against a red or dark lipstick. I just think with the looks that I do, I usually tend to go, like I said, with the nude. But if I were to just do like a liner and some lashes, they call it a foxy eyes, almost like the Gwen Stefani look, you know what I mean? I'm going to leave it on just for a couple minutes to see if it dries down and it transfers or whatever. That is the fourth item. This, I am very happy to get this. Listen, I used every drop of this stuff. I literally cut open the bottom and was sticking my brush in there so that I could put it under my eyes. This is the Gold Faden MD Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. I love this stuff. Gold Faden is a pricey brand. I have really dark circles under my eyes, always. It's hereditary. My iron is low. Like, there's a bunch of reasons why they're there. Like, nothing ever really gets them gone 100%. Like, nothing is foolproof, right? This stuff comes darn close. This is probably one of the closest things that I've used or tried that gets rid of almost always. It takes away. I just like it. It's a very good product, and I'm very happy to get it. So there you have it. Those are the 5 products. Moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. So what do I got to say about the bag? Okay, I love purple. I love pink. This has purple. This has pink. And the saying on there is, you got this. So yeah, I'm all down. This is one of the bags that I will absolutely keep for myself because I think it's just a cute. I love the color. And you know me, this is one of the cotton ones. And I love the saying. The holographic, I love everything about it. So this is a definite keeper. I will be keeping this for myself. Thank you very much. So the first thing I see here is this is Gloss Moderne, I don't know. Clean luxury hair mask. Okay. And see, I like clean stuff, and especially with the hair journey. It says apply to washed hair for 5 minutes plus, or even overnight. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and vegan. I'm going to look at all products just to see if I can get an idea of how much this is. And just to read a little bit more about it, because, I mean, okay, it's a hair mask, so we know what to do. It says leave it on for 5 minutes or even overnight. It says clean luxury hair mask in Solio. Oh, it says it right there, Solio. I missed it. Really, really tiny print right there. Okay. This is $55, so that's pretty pricey. What it does, meet your new favorite moisture treatment hair mask for instant gratification and soiree, like a party worthy shine. Okay, just use it weekly or daily. Leave it in for as long as desired. Apply a generous amount all over your hair. And it says it's fragrance with clean, luxurious perfume oils. So I wonder if that means like essential oils, because it's clean. Oh, I can smell it for sure. So then we have this Clarity. This is Brighten It, 10% lactic acid solution. It's very, it looks like it's got a safety seal in it, guys. I'm not going to bust it open yet until I'm ready to use it. Gently exfoliate and brighten skin. Okay, so I'm all down for that. As long as it doesn't dry me out, I am good. I am good. Sorry, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then we have from Arcelli Beauty, Monarch mascara and avocado oil. Okay, so that's different. Avocado oil in the mascara. That kind of seems like it wouldn't work, right? Like it would slide right off. But hey, oh, I do like the packaging. Look at the packaging. The packaging's so cool. It has like this butterfly on there. I don't know if you can see that. See it right there? It looks like a butterfly, maybe. I don't know. Oh, it is a butterfly. It goes all the way, or a moth or something. I don't know. It goes all the way around the packaging. That's pretty cool. And it does have it on the component as well. Now, I don't want to open this just yet. Like I said, I want to do a try on with all the products. So there's that. So, you know, listen, I'm on the hunt for another mascara. Now, the fourth product is, what is this? Magnetic Balm. I'm definitely going to have to read about this. Hold on, because I want to know what this is. Full Ritual Magnetic Balm in Second Nature. Okay, so it does come in one of these things. I'm going to go ahead and just bust it like this. I think you can open it like that. Yeah, I don't have to rip it, so I'm just going to pop it open like this. And, oh, I like it. It's very weighted. This says right here, it says, the Magnetic Balm provides hydration that leaves your lips feeling silky and glossy. It's rich in squalene and helps lock in moisture to give you soft, supple, and plump lips. Okay, all right, well, let's see. I'm going to open it just to see if it's got any kind of color to it. So it's just a wash of color. Oh, I like the way it smells. It has like a vanilla smell to it, so that's not bad. So there you go there, okay. And then the last product in the Glam Bag Plus is this, and I do believe that I got this. Let me see. So this is YC Collection, okay. And I do know that they had blushes, liquid blushes. I think that's the only thing I remember from them, you know, that I personally got and tried. Yeah, here it is. The YC Collection Trio Brush in Y03, Y04, and Y05. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. I do believe I picked these. I'm pretty sure I have these coming as well. The ones that I bought will go in giveaway. So they do come individually wrapped as well, which I do like that. Set is worth $45, okay? It says no collection is complete without these 3 essential brushes. You can easily blend out your favorite makeup and complexion products with these high quality brushes. The bristles are silky but firm enough to flawlessly distribute makeup for a flawless looking face. Doesn't say which brush is which, but okay. So this would probably be like, I don't know, you could do highlighter with this. You can pat out your like powder underneath your eyes, or I would probably like blend my blush with it, or you can do contour. I mean, you know, brushes are made to do whatever you want with them. Whatever works for you, you go for it, okay? And then you do have, I believe these are 2 eye brushes. Now this looks like a blender brush. Yes, it's very, it's dense, but it's also like very soft. So always happy to get a blending brush, you know. You can never have too many blending brushes, that's for sure. This is a cute collection. I like the color. It would go very nice with the room. And then this is a flat shader brush, as you can see there. So there is the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag for the month of September. Now I will be doing a little bit of a try on, as much as I can possibly do on camera. Perhaps maybe use the brushes in a look or something. A little bit of skincare. Maybe we can do it on another Win It With Me Wednesday. I will feature these the skincare products. That would be really cool, I think. And of course, we will have the giveaway in there, like I always do. But yeah, so that is what we got for September. I just want to say thank you to Ipsy for sending this stuff over to me. I'm very, very happy to get it. I don't see anything in here that I won't try, so that's cool. And they got me out of my comfort zone, guys. They did it. It's very hard to do, but they did, especially with the lips. Eyes, I will try anything. Lips, I'm very basic. Yeah, I'm very kind of stuck in my ways. So, I mean, let's see how this held up. Now, oh, okay, wait a minute now. Hold on. All right, so listen, it does transfer, but guys, it's very much like dry now. So it does take a while to dry down. It will dry down, just so you know. You know, as long as you're not smacking your lips together and licking your lips like I do. But it is. I let it dry. I tried not to like mess with it. And I mean, I'm not mad at it. I mean, okay, it doesn't go with this look. Absolutely doesn't. But I mean, for someone who doesn't wear dark lipstick, I kind of like this. So I mean, I have to have a red lipstick in my collection, right? So why not this one? So all right. So I'm glad. Thank you, Ipsy, because you definitely helped me to get outside my comfort zone. That's what's up. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Having fun, testing new things. Ipsy's all about trying out new things, and yeah. So there you have it. Please let me know your thoughts down below. Did you pick any of these things? Were these on your list? Did you get any of them? If so, let me know. All the details down below. You know I always love to read your comments. And I will say, like I always say, if you are going through something, please don't stuff it. Don't hide it. Don't try to forget about it. I always try and say, like, try and tackle things as they come, you know what I mean? Because I used to be the biggest stuffer in the world, guys, for real. Not kidding. Like, everything. Nope, I'm fine. Nope, everything's good. I'm not mad. And then, you know, one little tiny thing that was just not even worth me even getting upset about would just set me off and I would explode. And it was horrible. Whoever was there in front of me would always get the brunt end of the stick. And they didn't probably even deserve it. You know, most times it had nothing to do with them at all. I find the more you talk about something, the easier it becomes to talk about it. So please, you know, talk to a counselor, a loved one, a friend, a stranger even. Hit me up. I'm always available. I will always make time for you guys, I promise. And in this crazy mixed up world, oh my gosh, I say it every video. Please, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya.